Hello guys, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. Please subscribe. A quick one. Today I just want to teach you how you can use this CP powder to make a very strong whitening oil. And please, if you know that you just want to lighten up, please use just 10 grams. Please, if you want to lighten up, use only 10 grams. But if you want to whiten up, you can use 20 grams, 30 grams. Yes, it is what it is. And please, 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 it's a strong powder. It's a strong powder. Among all the powder you've heard of, this CP powder is a whitening powder that, please, you can Google about it. It's a strong whitening powder. The better thing is this: when you are using it, it's a double boiler method. That's the only way you can use it to make your whitening oil. And when you are making whitening oil with it, there's a way you use some powders, yeah? When you use them, they will separate. The reason why they separate is this, because most of them, they are water soluble. Why this powder, the beautiful thing about it is oil soluble. It's oil soluble. That is what I use to make this oil. You can see this oil, they will have the powder inside. All right, we always have them in 100 grams anyway, and 1 liter. We only have them in 100 grams and 1 liter. I told you that. All right, yes. Now look at it here. This one is quite different. This one I use water soluble, and you can see the color, and after some minutes or after some hours it will separate. It will separate. So that is why CP powder, that is why it's the best powder, and it's 99%. Not the powder that they sell in Ojota here. They will tell you that this powder that they are 99. Some of them they are 40%, some of them they are 60%. I'm telling you, trust me. You don't know. You don't know. So it is what it is, guys. Now let's go for kitchen to see how to make that powder. You see the two difference about this oil. This one is made with abutin powder. Yes, this one is made with abutin powder and it's separate. But this one is what we call the CP powder, and it's 99%. I tell you again, if you just want to lighten up, use 10%. At that 10%, please use it for 1 liter. 10% to 1 liter. 10% to 1 liter. And the 10% meaning 10 grams. All right? 10 grams to 1 liter. But if you want to whiten it, better whitening, you can go above that. Just do like 2%, which is 20 grams above. All right? That kind of powder, if you use 50 grams, take the go do. So please, just because of for us to regulate the pH level, for us to regulate it, follow the percentage. Follow the percentage. Regulate the pH level. Not go burn your skin. This oil is very strong. All right, let's go cook this oil and see. Immediately we put the oil, before you see it will dissolve, you will not see one single like particle for here or particle for here. You will not see any pieces. It will dissolve. That is for you to know the original. That is number one thing. Not gonna ask me again, say Austin Global, I had to confirm the original. As you use it, it will dissolve. Then to crown it all, in 7 days, oh yeah, now you don't light up. In 7 days, you don't light up. It is what it is. Let's go to the kitchen. So now this is our pot. This is our oil. Okay. So how are we making it? We are making it double boiler method. Okay. So you make sure you set your gas for, let's say, 80 degree, 60 to 80 degree. That's how the gas will stay. All right. So let's begin proper. All right, look at it. I'm using dairy about just 20 grams, which I've already measured here. All right, So you can see this is our 20 gram. This powder you cannot use. Make sure if you're making a large quantity, make sure you follow percent. Like you're making 1 liter. If you're making 1 liter, you should use 10%, which is like 10 gram exactly. All right. If you're making 5,000, which is 5 kg or 5 liters, you use only 50 gram of the powder, only 50 gram. All right. Then if you just want it to be more extra, stronger, you can use 100 gram. So that is how to make a whitening oil, not just ordinary whitening oil, CP whitening oil.